nice thing about the book is all the patients are real. They're all personal stories. The patients were willing to share their stories so that they could help others who are considering these procedures, who may be suffering with the conditions that they're dealing with. And I'm very grateful to those patients for telling their stories, because that takes a lot. A couple of stories kind of stand out in my mind, and it's funny when I'm holding the book. It's kind of like holding a baby. I mean, it kind of really draws you in from a personal point, especially when you know the stories behind it. There's a mother-daughter that's featured in the birthmark chapter, where each had a different type of birthmark, but both had successful treatment with the laser, and we kind of learn about how it's impacted on each of their lives. Another chapter that stands out is the scar chapter, where we have a couple of patients featured. One, a young girl who was actually mauled by her dog when she was a young girl, and she had nice improvement of the scarring after plastic surgery, but as we're learning, there's only so far surgery can go in terms of scarring, and there's been some really great advances in terms of laser surgical options for these scars. And we talk about the laser treatments that we do to help improve the appearance of the scars and how it impacted her self-esteem in school. And you can actually see her when she was coming for subsequent follow-up visits. You could see how it impacted her self-esteem and the way she interacted with her family and friends. And then another story that stands out is another patient who actually was burned by the hands of a physician following a chemical peel and was left with terrible scarring to the point where she couldn't even put her dentures in, and how we were able to correct that, basically erase the scars by a combination of different lasers and intralesional Kenalog, and how it's impacted her life. It's pretty powerful.